In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the product activation failed issue in MS Word. Regardless of your Word version, this solution can help you regain editing functionality. First, navigate to the search bar on your Windows computer and type "this PC." Click on it, then access the C drive. From there, go to Program Files, click on Microsoft Office, and select the Office folder, for example, Office 16. Note that the number may vary depending on your version. Next, locate the file named OSPPREARM. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm by clicking Yes. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. If Word is open during this process, close it and try again. After completing these steps, close all windows. In the search box, type MS Word and open a blank document. You should now be able to edit without any issues. This method effectively fixes the MS Office product activation failure. Thank you for watching.